An innovative new health plan, custom built for Northern Kentucky, is now being introduced to Northern Kentucky employers. The Total Care Plan HMO offers employers comprehensive access to the St. Elizabeth Healthcare System's 6 medical centers, dozens of specialized service locations, more than 900 physicians with admitting privileges throughout Northern Kentucky, as well as access to Cincinnati Children's Hospital Medical Center. The plan can also save employers and their employees up to 10% versus Humana's standard plans. As the Northern Kentucky Chamber's health benefits partner for over 6 years, Humana has continuously worked to develop innovative solutions for small business employers in the region. The Total Care Plan, HMO, continues this tradition. With the new plan, Northern Kentucky Chamber members with 2 to 99 employees can save up to 4% on their medical premium when Humana ancillary products are purchased, such as life, dental, disability, or workplace voluntary benefits. The Total Care focuses heavily on wellness and preventive care. A key part of that focus is a requirement that plan members choose a primary care physician. One area of near unanimous agreement in the national health reform debate was the need to better utilize primary care as a means to prevent more serious and costly health problems. In addition to a return to primary care as the healthcare focus, the Total Care Plan taps into the combined power of wellness, disease management, and clinical guidance resources available through both Humana and St. Elizabeth. The plan takes wellness so seriously that participating employers will be assigned a St. Elizabeth primary care professional that will be available for consultation and regular on-site employee information sessions. For more information on the Total Care Plan, contact your health benefits broker. If you don't have a health benefits broker, call the Chamber at 859-578-8800 for a complete list of Chamber member brokers participating in the health benefits program. Len Peters, Secretary of Kentucky's Energy and Environment Cabinet, will deliver the keynote address at a special government forum on Wednesday, April the 6th at 11:30 a.m. at the Metropolitan Club in Covington. Dr. Len Peters is an internationally renowned chemical engineer with demonstrated leadership in research, academia, and management. Kentucky is considered attractive by many businesses due to the fact that it continues to have very low energy costs compared to surrounding states. Secretary Peters will discuss Kentucky's energy future and how it relates to the business community. The Chamber's policies surrounding energy and the environment are based on the premise that environmental protection and economic growth can be achieved simultaneously. We look forward to hearing from the Secretary about his priorities and finding ways for Northern Kentucky's business community to be a resource to the Cabinet and the General Assembly on these issues. Every other year, the Northern Kentucky Consensus Committee solicits input to help identify and prioritize capital construction projects for the 8-county Northern Kentucky region. Projects that make the committee's priority list typically benefit the region as a whole and receive strong support in Frankfort during the General Assembly's budgetary year. Gary Beatrice, President and CEO of Business Benefits Insurance Solutions and the immediate past chair of the Northern Kentucky Chamber of Commerce's Board of Directors, has been named Chairman of the Northern Kentucky Consensus Committee. Beatrice takes over for Charlie Pangburn, who led the community in creating several successful consensus agendas. Northern Kentucky's priority projects will be one of the cornerstones of the region's efforts during the 2012 budget session in the General Assembly. It is important that we carefully consider projects that will bring growth and economic health to the Northern Kentucky region. Some past consensus projects have been the Northern Kentucky Convention Center in Covington, NKU Science Building and College of Informatics, the Juvenile Detention Center in Campbell County, and Gateway Community and Technical College's Center for Advanced Manufacturing. The Consensus Committee consists of representatives appointed from business, government, nonprofit, and other community organizations from the 8 Northern Kentucky counties. Applicants are encouraged to provide submissions to think big and are requested to provide information to help the committee in its deliberations. A call for projects was issued from the Chamber, and the committee will soon vet them for consideration on the priority list. Well, right now we need to take a short break, and when we return, we'll have another business focus. So don't go away.